Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Meg. I do fashion lifestyle videos every single week, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you do like that type of content. I've kindly been sent over a lash lift kit from a brand called Pinkzio, and as you can tell with the title, I'm going to basically be doing my lash lift at home, which saves me a lot of money and time. And they've also sent me 4 gorgeous pairs of fake eyelashes, so if you are into that, definitely check out their range. So there's a really easy to follow step-by-step guide that's actually on the back of the box that I used while I was doing the process. So this is what you get in the kit. There are a lot of things and they are clearly labelled on both the actual packaging and on the back of the box. As you can see, this is for multiple use, so you really save a lot of money doing it this way. So following the guidance, I'm literally just getting off any residue that is on my eyes to make sure that I am working with a clean base, and I'm just using my favourite makeup remover from Body Shop. Shout out Body Shop. It's just their cleansing balm. And of course I had to do a kind of before shot to show a good comparison with what it looks like afterwards. This is what my lashes look with no product on. There's not really any curl to them, they're quite straight, but they are quite long. So I'm really excited to see if this kit actually does work and show a visible difference. Now I'm going to go in with their under eye pads, which basically is going to protect my under eye from any of the chemicals getting there. These are really easy to put on. And one thing that I did notice with these kits is that it is easier to do one eye at a time. So despite me having 2 pads on, I forgot to take the other one off, but it's just easier to focus. And because you can't see so well through one eye when you've got the rod on, it does make sense for you to have the other eye free so you can see what you're doing. So it comes with a pack of 6 rods, which are in size order. So you get small ones, you get medium ones, and you get large ones. I went for the medium ones. I didn't actually realise at first that there were sizes. I feel like small would have fit my eyes the best, but there's no reason why you couldn't try and trim them down. Then I'm going to go in with the Pinkzio glue, and I'm going to use that to stick the rods to my eyelids securely, making sure that I don't get any actually within my eye. You have to be very careful with these products because they are quite harsh in order to work. So just make sure that you're not getting anything directly into your eye. The rods can feel quite uncomfortable on the eyes at first, but I found that I started to get used to it the longer I left it on. And now you need to glue the other side of the rod so you're able to stick your lashes to it. Again, this can be quite temperamental, so make sure that you are taking time and pressing down quite firmly. For this, I used the little Y tool that was provided in the kit. So after a few minutes of continually trying to stick the lashes on, I would say I got about 90% to stick, which is actually the most successful I've had out of any of the lash kits that I've ever used, which was really promising. And this is just a close-up of what it should look like. There's also a bag that comes with a spoolie and some kind of smaller applicators that you use for the actual product. The first step is to apply the Perm solution. So this is what's really going to curl your lashes and, as the title says, perm them. Because they are chemicals, some of the bottles do smell quite strong, so I recommend opening a window if you are sensitive to kind of stronger smells. And I just built up the product, and actually off camera did apply a bit more. I'd say apply quite a generous layer on here, and then it recommended leaving it on for 10 to 15 minutes, so I went with 10. During the 10 minutes, some of my lashes did lift a little bit, so I pushed them back on, but it was pretty easy to get them to re-stick. Step 2 is to apply the setting lotion. So this is pretty much just going to set that perm into place, and it is a blue colour. Again, building up that product until I feel like my lashes are well saturated and making sure that they are still stuck to the rod. And for this step again, I went with the 10 minutes. Next, I went in with the cleansing lotion, which is actually labelled as number 4, but the instructions do state that this is the next stage. This is just to make sure that you're getting all of the product off. I basically used the solution and the applicator tool to scrape off any excess product from the previous steps to make sure that my lashes were clean of product. And then for the final stage, I put on the moisturizing lotion, which I really like because it kind of feels like you're adding health and nutrients back into your lashes, especially as this can sometimes be quite a harsh procedure. So I like that it was an attempt to kind of rebalance the hydration in my lashes, although they didn't feel damaged at all. And then just take the rod off carefully, making sure you're not hurting your eye. And as you can see, my lashes immediately look so different. Like, I was really shocked. This is the best result I've ever had from any lash lift kit, and I've tried quite a few over the last 10 years, so I'd say this is definitely the front runner. The moisturizer definitely was separating them more, so I did then go in with a cotton pad and make sure to fully get off any product. And this is a close-up of what it looks like. As you can tell, it's quite a drastic effect, and looking straight on, you might think that I'm wearing mascara. Like, the curl is most definitely there and it has held. Don't forget to use my discount code EMJAYSTYLES, and that will get you 30% off when you check out.